In this lesson, we are going to learn the phonetic sound of the letter L. It's very easy to write L. The capital letter L is written like this. It starts with a vertical line from the top down and turns right into a shorter horizontal line. The small letter L is simply a vertical line from the top down. Let's see that one more time. The capital letter L and the small letter L. Good. L makes the sound L. L.
Look at the picture for the position of your tongue while pronouncing the L sound. Remember to pronounce the sound after you position your tongue touching the upper ridge behind your teeth. If you pronounce the sound before you touch your upper ridge, it will sound like ill, ill. It's not ill, it has to be L.
Now, let's see some words that start with the L sound. L, as in lion. The lion is known as the king of the jungle. L, as in lanterns. In olden days, lanterns were used as streetlights. L, as in leaf. New leaves always look beautiful. L, as in laugh. We had a good laugh watching a funny movie last night. L, as in ladybird. Ladybirds are beautiful tiny insects. Some people even have them as pets. L, as in lotus. The lotus blooms make the pond beautiful. Let's look at all the words one more time. L, lion. Lanterns. Leaf. Laugh. Ladybird. Lotus. Lovely.